Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open TradingView on mobile. First, you will need to download the official TradingView application. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for TradingView. Once you find it, simply tap to install. Make sure your mobile operating system is up to date for the best experience. This ensures smooth operation and access to all the latest features. After the application is installed, open it up. You'll then be prompted to log in or create an account. If you already have a TradingView account, simply enter your username and password. For new users, creating a free account is straightforward and takes just a few moments. You also have the convenient option to sign in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID for a quicker setup process. Once logged in, you'll see the main interface. The bottom navigation bar offers several key sections. The Watch List tab lets you keep an eye on your favorite stocks or cryptocurrencies. Tap on Charts to view detailed, interactive graphs with dozens of indicators and drawing tools. Explore the News section for market updates and check out Ideas to see what other traders are sharing. TradingView Mobile offers extensive customization options. You can easily adjust chart settings, like changing timeframes from 1 minute to 1 day or switching chart types. Add up to 8 different indicators to your charts for comprehensive technical analysis. Don't forget to set price alerts, which will notify you instantly when an asset reaches a specific level. Plus, your watch lists and layouts automatically sync across all your devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.